another day with you. Cause you
Trust
are
me, I'm not permitted to swim. But you see me here, I'm to dirty than
Why aren't you permitted to swim?
From the boss.
Who is the boss? My sister. But you know something? This thing baffles me a lot. And it's confusing as well. My mom is a very strict person.
Okay.
And she hardly allowed me to get closer to a man. And then one said, if you have all of a sudden, on my whole crime, meeting me, Kasa, we are dear crying on my bed.
You know, there's this sense if people really show you who they are for the first time, you got to believe them. So the first time your mom saw me, she knows that there was something in me, and she knows that I'm not maybe a pretender, and it's something else.
Wow. And that guy be on an
Swagger. Do you know I brought him here?
Manu grant on another sick of my mom.
I know.
Oh, my quine.
I know.
Who could find crying what could be sanasem? She will tell you so here be a catcher. Into that guy no man kasane honda. And I remember the last time we came around this area, if I had say the 1% no one. The bag and my men kasane. My mamma be sana a word in po. Inti, where that's a man pound.
It is what it
Have you
is.
noticed that?
Yeah, I know. And the same thing applies to you. Also, pay myself so I can that challenge for us to just vibe like this.
And I can see there's a connection.
Yeah, so that's it. Oh yeah, Kushana, I've been on review.
Efia phone in a training me.
So I could see phone now piece in it.
Hey, anyway,
Let me ask you about this. Are you sure, sir? Oh my mini raise about is it?
Stana.
No, Stana.
And I'm in Kada Stana.
Oh, Debbie, and you killing me.
You mean Castana?
Stana.
Okay. Me, Mr. to say. Any mom sister, ya made the many who be Nancy, ya me who's a woofy hay. A home be near working.
No.
Also, must say, damn one woman, you may be this and who say beer. Because they want me, my missy to terminal. I'll whom I am to hear when they send me a pen. That's the same way my sister was raised. One the team more baby, one the team Mrs. Tanso baby. Or the tea any now of you chrome, Fakuna. And a Mrs. Tanso free send me no. Me who saw you rude and now a hash to me to any man. And your man nipa be me who saw you rude to sad nipa sada. And to be so a tia walk a can when you say if a ha shouted did you what I'm not. Let me say be a Mrs. Tano. Be a pepe sir. Because they want me mammy to take me ya misromu. It to me for said the Missika Sam penny for whom. A year dear old fear no sabe pepe not to take me sister. Into Brastana is true. Be any and when your sister one to Ratty. We are meaning saying you say no tea. Meaning say be a time man and no shame.
No. Me, I'm very lovely just to be already here because I'll not let you be bored and then I'll put me from more. So just say, but it's normal. Once your marina pushing me hard, and then I'm just praying that we be able to very soon. No,
she's doing a whole lot of things with pain.
Listen to me. Me bahan, tamana me stay with him. No, I didn't like it. I say, me person man say, I'm the man. And you say me do own the house and I'm the man. And you say me one man, you have to listen to me. But your sister wouldn't allow me. And one day be, but now and your man effort for me. I say me now for bad they will be serious and I'm saying no. I'm packing out my things just to go and stay with my friends. And but just had it me in a shame.
Me kaisa me day. One vacation when my classmates be back. They want me sister treating no. And then on money you be a minute to go so and I won't know any money and I won't manage drink and now Miss Anna you okay. They will see treating madam for the person all the time call breathy and man I'm in money baby. Tell me, Mama said.
So tell me, do you have a boyfriend?
Stana,
What again?
what have you been discussing with my mother?
Normal talks.
Normal talks, you say? Because as things are going, as the way things are going there, it's like you have some things you've been telling my mother. You've been discussing something here that I don't know behind my back. What is going on? For my mother to always insult me, saying things to me because of you? Why?
Why are you not complaining? I've repeated myself that there's nothing.
I am complaining. He thinks I am complaining. He doesn't see anything wrong with what's happening in this house. Are you serious? Now, Stana, let's have a fair deal here. We all did questions and answer tags in school, right? And I'm going to ask you a question and I need a vivid answer. Is it yes or no? Hey. If yeah.
Mama, I'm back by. Big sis.
Yeah, no, yo.
Now, I'm tipo nano. Mene Brastana.
Excuse you. It's me, Mr. Anna Panama, me, now, wait for.
Now, I'm tipo nano. Fresh air, you know. Yeah, mene Brastana.
Wow. Impressive.
You okay now?
You're doing a great job in my house. Come on, mini, I need to boot.
Big sis. On can be a team bomb. Well, we need to ya dewa mama city. On person the ni kura be hu sam ne be imagine holding komo. Nem pa ba sam ne reflect. Na so fi sam be fi ha brastana. Ma hu sam ne lift baby and I say you din komo kura. On ma ho o mi sam she. Like as I'm funny hu pon so nim senya sana mama te etie. Ono hu so ne be imagine baby a oba fi e wu. Kai say be show sa adam. So who some never stand on her? Ah.
So now you only fiako. Fiako. Efia.
Big sis.
Let's catch up someday,
Okay.
yeah?
Stella, as I was saying, if you really want to stay in this house, I don't know what you've been discussing with my family, eh? But if you really want to stay in this house, use your head.
Yes or no?
Use your lunch. If you don't want to have conversations in this house, use it!
But I never gave you an answer, you're just living.
That's what I'm saying, use your head. So you thought I was God, right? Use your head.
So do you want me to stay in this house? You always loving being around, yeah? Yes or no?
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Hold my breath, unraveling emotions.
So Stacy. Shut I don't know. Wait, I didn't want you to do 250 cedis for.
I don't know who find down.
Ah.
Person in your muscle.
Think I'll money how
$50.
and come the half a sauce.
You're fully in a prayer.
Sister, so mommy half.
If you so she said I want to know if you understand that. But you have for money, why?
My sister was can't get some money.
Okay, so you know. If you
Sister.
money, come on. $250. I'm calculating for dollar do saying.
Oh, sister. Let me say me can't me actually. Sister Brastan way ni how.
Someone can say in your pay.
Sister na say. When him say me ne wo pool side ho. Enkoma me ne di nyina akoye futu. Ase abrabo mu nkomo. Ena wo a wonim de wa ma me. Esite me ne wo. De na ni chi ni se wo ne be ma gina ho. Enso ma me be hu se minister na te ho de nkomo a won ka hwe. Wo hu se me ni gina ba bia won ka hwe. Sister, me who is I rant and in Papa? Or someone that Monsieur Winnie. And all can't some to go out in Muse, Nansa some now all come. This is studying now. Oh, my name, Mamma from Unjana Tiana said. I am a man, you must have what I'm Panama. You see, I'm so much of a penassim. I might want funny step back. Would all have been a mammy and then a casa crank and fake. But said that would do any hobby.
I fear. The pool, not only you guys were talking about me.
Oh,
you were discussing me.
Oh,
your senior sister, only me, ex-officer, and you are discussing me.
We weren't discussing you. Okay, we were, but it was positively. And quite personally, and the morning so cry.
Hey, Efia. Oh, wow. I feel that Matthias said, Mammy, possible to only be my beach now. Because I can't catch what? Wait to me, I saw you who was it poor, and you made me ex. You are talking about me. For what?
Sister.
What?
Sister, oh, you need Papa. I don't even know why you never saw the good in
the last time I checked, I've never painted him black or in Pamoni. He's just doing his duty as a domestic staff to me and to my household.
My sister, I see a man at Tiana nothing. And I'm missing me saying, I can't try to send Kebea and come and grab back home. Sister.
And what for do of Mediana?
Sister,
we are okay.
I'm granting or you come up and you will see Gina sweep, Ben Matu, to say, Nasa, war shaman, who wasted the me, sister. As a war shadow, when the sofa swore, it go through and son, I don't know, or and change as a wound in our theatre. Hey,
if you are telling me what to do,
as
a grown ass woman as I am, you are telling me what to do. Now, by the way, we need that baby.
She said, and no matter, I would ever until if I remember, come on, me if son near my quads, I mean, you know her. Win him, Sadie. Win him, sir. Because they be a mamma catch me, saying you see what to tell. Now, Miss Sumning and Miss Shaw, dear show more what just come up and a few walk of a jata, come, I say, be an hour, Tim now on Tiasi, and tell you, remember, I'm to draw a command what's in a fear. Hey, sister, I don't know where is that. Say, why am I and Becca Sakura?
If you're sorry for you,
sister,
sorry for you.
As more the older, they make her so
sorry for you. I don't want to, I hate repeating myself and you know it.
Nah, scammers way. Sister, you know who?
Wow. Stana has connived with my family members against me. Aha. I feel if you have it.
Remember, before her and your bonny be. So we say, with Baha and America Crano. Me hu subai. Me hu ni papa ya oyi. Fa me se o maame. Me suma fa o se me ba. Me pese mbusa wasam kakra o. Se e die pa na wo pese we fi se mitimi mu se e sika na wo hia na se e dia dia. Fi se e fi ha wuti. Hwekwa me ba yi wo fa so. Ene. E ti me pese mbusa se e sika ana wo pa ye adwuma ana se te se efi ha na wo pa na se de bedwune wa menti ase so said the last time I know kasa wo no e ka che wo se de wo hia bia no bo mama ne e pese me boa fi se de mba ne ye no e ma ho ti bebri na wo bia ne na tena na mo jaye no wasa ba se obaye adwuma ba ada ne se ho wate bi da na wo ba kura wo so pe wo kura na aden no so won pe hwe ko do wo fam me ba tan o hu bi me sum aha me ba nti se adwuma na wo pe o Se sika na wa pese me mfa mawo. Me fa ko hye adwuma afiri oba ka kire me. E de pa na e ha wo de pa na obe wo mama na e de.
Mama, me da was for this opportunity for say only me no better say a better ideas will be some say the piano and me wonder the kind of love that you have for me because me from nowhere now me S and now says right now my boss Emma me be some same way it shows something clear here. Ma you can't be all links or be away you are bravo. I'm one of them. And I'm my home bracinti and I'm a casa and I'm my debut to Rahan Rabbi be an obi at the Permasa. Ma and this car. A dear bay yemmy and say measure a dear sonable. On say a dear be a whoopy pen no. Now I did not get attractive to you. But the moment I obey abandon a dear no. Person na dear no work on a way they fear dear. Odo. Ma.
Odo. Ma odo. Maya.
Esi.
Oh.
Near me ye na show clearly ma. Me pese esi sisan on yom bimo. Me pese esi ho se debi. Nti ma ade tantan de yemi na ni na ma hye me ho de etoda ne oni yemi na ana eden nti wo ba kwa na me ni ya etoda metimi de ya agudie bi eya acrobatic style pastor no ntemase ma eden ono esi na nkan na me no ma na okomo me ho se me ne no komo ana ya kope bi a ma bi wo na oba bi mpudi na ni hwe me a hey aden na so hwe me man.
Now, mammy, no way. If it's a you dress it, chat, I did be when you're about Baba Swab and Pimpy.
Ma, I dare see him, a man more bravo, no. Me ring fit da. She met me from nowhere. What me better for him. And she made me somebody. But you may be an person who film Tino. Not that I'm deep for it. But I'm finding ways and means a bema or no not been there because me one in China ma me say or was just a percentage of love before me, but she tried just to pretend be as a dear on your she. But at the end of the day, no, I know say glory will be ours, ma. It's come to you, ma. It's because of love.
Okay.
Tima, Messa Sobium, what dear? My cousin, we are children, or Yemen, yes, or Yemen, chai, and come once in pure. I'm okay. Madame. Patronate. And that's so.
That's what that's.
Love conquers. Living with my eyes.